Our old microwave broke after 7 years of service, so we bought a new one, which is kind of the same but is a bit different, from Lidl for 85 euros.
It's almost the same. It's the same power, 80 watts and 1000 watts of grill and 20 liters and 11 programs.
It can also defrost.
Defrost.
And the maximum you can put something on, the maximum timer, is 95 minutes.
It's enough to make everything we want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even more.
Okay, let's unbox it.
Yeah.
Our previous microwave was good, and this one cost only 85 euro in Lidl.
Let's hope the money was worth.
Yeah, but because with 7X ago it cost 70 euros. It's not big inflation for new model.
I mean, not a big difference.
Yeah, not a big difference. Now our income is slightly better.
So we can afford.
Yeah, we can afford new one.
Open it up. Wow. Oh.
Here we have. A packaging is very well here.
Yeah. We made sure it's safe. I think it's actually bigger than the old one.
I think it's maybe the same. What we have
I
here?
think it's bigger.
Yeah. I will try to take it from the.
Oh my god, I think it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Oh god, oh god.
Cool one.
Oh god, it's heavy. I think it is. Oh.
Put it here. Wow.
Wow.
Look at it.
It looks so much better, to be honest.
Because it's not new one.
And it's clear.
That is the manual.
There's the manual in the box.
I will rotate it.
Oh no, that's...
Rotate it to show all the things we have here. Here is a model. It's new one, 802.
Yeah, F2.
F2. Microwave model. So it's like the previous model we have. Everything is the same, but now it's a metal part. Before it was plastic. Cool.
Some blue tape.
Blue tape.
Wow.
It's for you.
Thanks.
And here we have. Cool, it's a British type of socket. I like it.
Yeah.
Let's rotate it.
So the ventilation is actually now on the left side.
Yeah.
And not on the top, as it was in the previous. So that's a big change. And there's also a sticker which says to not remove the top.
Do not remove this cover because there is high voltage and microwaves.
Yeah.
Radiation. Look at it. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Wow. Here is a lot of stuff we need to explore.
Oh wow.
A manual. Short manual.
Yeah.
PDF online. Like this one.
Oh, another big difference is now that this is now not from glass and it's made from steel.
No.
It's not for steel, it's grill. It's grill. It's grill.
Oh, it's for grill.
From another one we have one too.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. never knew that.
And here is safety instruction. Yeah, we know it because
Yeah.
we have the same model
Yeah.
last year.
Oh yeah,
This one is for grill,
yeah.
but it's for rubber. Is it safe to have it in microwave? Maybe safe.
Maybe.
They know it.
I
Put it
mean, we
here.
have a manual.
I don't know. Take.
So this one's again made from glass.
Yeah, it's dish. It's like an old one. If we break this, we can take from old one. It's the
Yeah.
same. And the wheels.
Yeah,
The wheels are the same too. Look at it.
yeah. So
We need
unstick.
to unstick this
Yeah.
type.
Oh,
take
and
it.
there's also it also says the 10 modes. I mean, inside it looks like a microphone.
No, we need to unstack all the tapes.
Yep.
All the packaging. From this. To unstack all.
Do you want me to help you?
Actually, no.
Okay, if you say so. It says all the 10 programs right here.
What we can do with these programs?
Pasta, fish, rice, chicken, heating, potatoes, meat and joints, popcorn, liquids and vegetables.
What is it? Liquids. Maybe
Like,
like tea.
yes,
We
like,
can boil a tea here. Okay, let's put these wheels inside.
yep.
Maybe from this way, because here is writings. Rotate this way. Put it here.
Now put on the plate
And we will put the plate
above it.
above it. Like this, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Let's take it. Let's connect it to the power supply.
Yep.
Like this.
And it makes the same sound.
Same sound. Close it. And put it on the place we need for it.
Hold the button for several seconds. Now choose a 24-hour format. It's 17
17 hours.
and it's 52.
52 minutes. Okay.
Okay, it's done.
The time is set. Let's try to cook something.
Yep.
There is a problem. It's working because without the do not react. Anyhow, we need to turn it on like this. We would like to change this microwave or to get back money because it has a glitch. We would like to close it. No.